Hello campers and fishermen. It's the first week of May 2018. The old fishing opener is on the 12th, a little over a week away. And you can see behind me a little bit of open water and some ice. Still ice. Long winter. It's going to be a close call whether or not the lakes will be open for the opener. Some of the smaller lakes will be, and certainly shoreline on some of the lakes. But here we are, getting close, and it's a nail biter. Whether or not you've got your BWCA trip all planned and ready to go or not, I'm here to share just a little bit more information about that kind of a process for you. Here at your entry points, this is entry point number 24. Again, Fall Lake, Ely, Minnesota. This will take you into Newton, and then into Basswood Lake, and then further up into Quetico if you wish, or just stay in Basswood. A lot of lakes, of course, a lot of connecting trails, and that's the beauty of BWCA. One lake after another, all connected, so that you can have a wonderful experience. As you can see, yet no leaves on the trees. The sounds of spring are just starting to make notice. You can hear some woodpeckers drumming in the distance. You can hear a partridge drumming as well. Some of the songbirds are showing up. The robins are here already, and I'm here getting ready for the season. So if you have not yet made your plans, start putting them together. And if you would like to make, I'm pausing because of that woodpecker. I don't know if he's can hear it or not. But if you're getting ready to make your plans, maybe you might want to put in your plans to come to a local campground, spend the night, then you're all set for an early departure in the morning, instead of driving maybe 3 or 4 hours and then try and make it in several miles to your favorite campsite, or a campsite you've been told about, or you see one on the map, whatever the case may be. A good plan is to show up early, spend a night here at a local campground. This one again is Fall Lake. There's private campgrounds up and down the Fernberg Trail. You can go on out there towards Luttrell's and Snowbank Lake, and you can go up the Echo Trail. A lot of campgrounds, a lot of camp resorts. Put in for the night, get a good night's sleep, get up real early, and then make your way in. Probably feel better, give you an opportunity to make your last minute check, make sure you've got all your equipment. Might have forgotten something. Now you've got an opportunity to go into town, some of the local shops, pick up what you might need. Maybe you forgot a fishing license. They can help you here in town. You lost a life jacket on the way up here. Who knows what may be, but you've got an opportunity to look your equipment over one last time, give it a final check, pick up your last little bit of lures, maybe some bait. Maybe you want to take in some minnows and leeches. Get yourself squared away at a campsite close to the BWCA entry points, and then make your way in. If you're going to go in just for the day, which you certainly can do, you will have to find the kiosk and fill out a permit. And right in front of me here is a kiosk, and I'm going to show you what you're going to be looking at.